In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to find the best keywords for your niche. When you are first getting started with a marketing plan for your new online niche, it is incredibly important to optimize your site with niche keywords instead of broad, popular terms. When you use general terms in your content marketing, it can make it difficult for your website to rank, especially as a new venture. Here's how to find the best keywords for your niche. Use a keyword research tool. After you've chosen your niche, you need to spend some time identifying the keywords that will be profitable for you. Using a keyword research tool can help you to identify a wide range of potential keywords, including less apparent keywords that could drive traffic and sales. As a new endeavor, you won't have the historical data you need to leverage as a good predictor of their future performance. So you will need to come up with a good list of potential keywords that you can drill down. Refine your niche keyword list. The list of keywords that you gather has no intrinsic value until you do some further research so you can refine your list. Many of the online keyword research tools will allow you to improve your keywords and will provide you with a list of search queries along with the search volume of each keyword on Google. The keywords that you choose need to be specific to you, your site, and your business. Remember, keywords are only valuable when they are relevant to you. While you don't have to adopt every keyword term on your list, it is essential that you are aware of all of them. Determine how competitive your keywords are. The last thing you need to do is to analyze the competitiveness of each of the keywords that you've chosen. This means that you have to determine the relative difficulty of ranking for each of the keywords. Many of the keyword research tools should provide you with a list of keywords and how hard it is for those keywords to rank on Google. Once you've determined the right keywords to use for your niche, you have to continue to monitor and tweak your list to keep your page ranking high on Google. You need to make continual keyword research a priority if you want to continue to improve your ranking results.